Hi everyone, welcome back. We'll be continuing with the TYCS Data Science Practical number 1, sub question 2, that is pivot table creation. So, we have first one, that is create a pivot table that summarize the total salary by department. So, before I go and explain you what is pivot table and how to go about it, I'll just give you a quick summary. So, pivot table is basically it is a tool I can say which summarize and analyze your large data quickly without changing your original data. So, the question was you have to analyze and summarize the data. Okay. So, what I'll do is I'll select the entire table from A1 till 11. I'll go to insert in that pivot table. In that pivot table, you can go for new worksheet or you can go for existing worksheet. Click on location. I'll choose this particular location. Enter. You click on OK. So this is how the pivot table will come. Okay. In that, what do I require? I have to show the summary of my total salary by department. So I'll take department in my row and I'll take salary under my values. So you can see finance, HRIT, and marketing is my department name and the sum of it. So, in one particular, for an employee can work either in finance or either in HR, or it can be both. So, based on that, if we'll calculate those salary and giving the sum of it and the total salary, the grand total. You can also display the employee name. So, it will display the employee name over here. Okay. So you can understand that this particular employee is for the finance department and the salary and the total salary of it. Next is add a filter to the pivot table to allow the analysis of employee data for a specific years based on the joining date. So what I'll do is I'll go to Excel again. Okay. Now we have date here. I'll place it under the report filter. Now here I can choose any particular date. So for example, I choose 11 to 2021 and I'll click on OK. So it will only display only on that particular date which employee has been joined and the salary and the department and the employee name. The reason behind I have opted here department employee name and the summary of the salary. Summary where you can calculate has sum or any other. So you can go under sum of salary. You'll find a small triangle. Click on that and that you'll go for value field settings and that you can choose sum, count, average, max, min, product, whatever you want. And for example, if I want average, I'll click on average. So that would be my average salary. I hope it is clear. We'll continue with the further practical number 1 in the next video. Thank you.